Welcome students. Once again one problem of electromagnetic induction. In a region of an uniform magnetic induction B equal to 10 to the minus 2 Tesla, a circular coil of radius 30 centimeter and resistance pi square ohm is rotated about an axis which is perpendicular to B and it forms diameter of the coil. If coil rotates at 200 rpm, find current I to the coil. So omega again comes 2 pi into n, that is 2 pi into 200 by 60. So it is coming 20 pi by 3 radian per second. E equal to NBA into omega. As you know, in AC generator, that E equals to NBA into omega. So here n is not given anything. B is given 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Area is, the radius is given 30 centimeter. So pi into 30 by 100 whole square. So this is area, and omega is we have got 20 pi by 3. So we are getting pi. So 20 pi square by 3 into 10 to the minus 2 into 3 square 9 into 10 to the minus 2. So this we are getting 3 to the 60 into 10 to the minus 3, that is 6 pi square into 10 to the minus 3 minus 4 into 10. So 6 pi square into 10 to the minus 3. So this is E. So what is I we will get? We have known that resistance is, we are getting pi square. So 6 pi square divided by pi square into 10 to the minus 3 ampere. So we are getting 6 milliampere. Thank you students. Welcome students to another problem of electromagnetic induction. A flat circular coil having radius 10 cm has 200 turns of wear. Coil is connected to capacitor of 20 microfarad, is placed in a uniform magnetic field whose induction decreases at rate of 0.01 Tesla per second. Find the charge on capacitor. Imagine in your domestic use, we use capacitor fan, do you know, to increase the speed. That we know. So here we start with this one. Q equal to C into V. So that is equal to C into d phi by dt. Okay. As you know, V equals to minus d phi by dt. So phi equals to NBA. That is flux equals to number of turns into magnetic field into area. So d phi by dt equals to Na into dB by dt. So here we can write n number of turns is 200 and a radius is 10 centimeter. So it is becoming 200 into pi into 10 by 100 whole square into 10 to the power minus 2. Why it is 10 to the power minus 2? Because centimeter is converted to meter square. So 2 pi, so 200 into pi by 100 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it is 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 2 volt. Now Q equal to CD, that is capacitor into voltage. So capacitor is 20 microfarad, 20 microfarad is given here. So 20 into 10 to the minus 6 into 2 pi into 10 to the minus 2 coulomb, as we got from here the volt. So it is coming 40 pi into 10 to the minus 8, or you can say 4 into 10 to the minus 7. So 10 to the minus 7 pi, 4 pi into 10 to the minus 7. So 4 pi means 12.56. 4 into 3.14 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. So now if we divide by 10 and multiply with 10, we get 1.256 into 10 to the minus 6 square. That is equal to 1.25 microcoulomb is a charge on capacitor. Thank you students. Welcome students to another problem of electromagnetic induction. A disc of 10 cm diameter is rotated at a speed of 3600 rpm rotations per minute inside a long solenoid of 1200 turns per meter on the axis of solenoid perpendicular to the plane of the disc. When a current of 1.5 amps passes through the solenoid, what is the difference of potential between axis and circumference? First of all, 3600 rpm, so that is converted equal to 2 pi into n. N is the number of rotations per second. So 2 pi into 3600 by 60 is equal to 2 pi into 60, that is 120 pi rad per second. So next formula, B equals to mu naught into Ni. So n is the number of turns per meter. So 4 pi into 10 to the minus 7, that is the value of mu naught, into n is 1200 into I is 1.5. So it is given as 7200 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. How is it coming? 4 into 1.5 is 6, 6 into 1200 is 7200 into 10 to the power minus 7. So that will say 7200 pi into 10 to the minus 7 Tesla. Next, E equals to half into BR square omega. First of all, we will show this one. How is it coming? That E equals to half into BR square omega. Suppose a conductor is moving in a magnetic field, is rotating at an angle of theta and with a radius of r. So according to the r concept, so r is this is the length, so r theta becomes this length. So area of the triangle formed is half r square, half r into r theta, that is half into r square theta, that is area. So next is dA by dt is half r square into d theta by dt, that is equal to half r square into omega. Next is d phi by dt equals phi equals to b into, as you know, flux equals to b into a, so d phi by dt equal to b into dA by dt. So that will be equal to half into b into r square omega. So it is coming half into b into r square omega. So that's why we have put it here, half into b into r square omega, half into 7200 pi into 10 to the minus 7. R is how much? 5 centimeter. Because the diameter is 10 centimeters, so R is 5 centimeter. 5 by 100 whole square into omega. Omega is how much? Just now we got it, 120 pi radian per second. We will just put it here, 120 pi radian per second. So pi into pi is becoming pi square. So 1 half into 72, that means become 3600 into pi. Both pi are coming, so pi square into 120 is coming here into 25 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 is coming here. So 36 pi square into 3000. How 3000 is coming? 25 into 120 is 3000 into 10 to the power minus 9. Because 36 both zeros are not there, so 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the minus 70, 10 to the minus 4, then is coming. So 36 into 3 is 108 into 10 to the minus 5, that is pi square we are considering as 10. So 10 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the minus 9 is 10 to the minus 5. So 1.08 into 10 to the minus 3 volt, so that is equals to 1.08 millivolt. Thank you.